How to uninstall multiple apps on your phone at once. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So first up, in order for you to simultaneously delete a bunch of apps, you'll have to go to the Play Store. And once you're in Play Store, you can see on the top right corner that the logo has appeared of my profile. So whatever your profile is, just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see various options are available. And over here you have to click on the Manage Apps and Device option. Once you're here, you'll come to Overview, but it is a Manage section that we want to go to, so you'll click on Manage. And over here in Manage, you can see all the available installed apps that I have on my device. And over here, I'll have to just select the apps that I want to delete. Let's say I want to delete these apps that I'm selecting on the screen right now. And once I select them, all I have to do is click on the top right corner where the bin icon is there. Once I click on it, as you can see, it is giving me an option to uninstall them. Once I click on uninstall, all the apps will be erased or uninstalled from my device in the background. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.